I'm Dr. Chandanagamage, senior lecturer from the University of Moratuwa Computer Science Engineering Department. So I'm going to tell you a few things about phishing attacks, which is a very common and a very dangerous type of problem we are facing on the internet. So we all know what phishing is, but I'm talking about phishing with a fishing rod where you have a string and a hook at the end and some tasty looking bait. Actually the bait looks tastes the fish. Now that is phishing. Of course there are other type of phishing where you would use a net, but that is more like trolling. So the phishing we are talking about uses a bait. On the internet we have all kind of baits being dangled in front of us. So that bait could come like a web page or as an email. And the interesting thing is it is interesting to us. For example, the email that we receive from some organization, say a bank, would tell us that we have won some prize, and to get that prize we should go to a particular web page. So we would quickly do that, and once we get to that web page it will say, okay, thank you for coming, here's your $1,000 prize, we would like to put that into your account, give us your detail. So you will be giving your name, address, ID number and your bank account details, and once you do that they will have that information and might do various things. For example, they might actually do your banking for you. Only thing is they will take your money and run. There could be other things that happen. For example, they could sell that information to some criminal gang who would use that for criminal activity, and you will be in trouble. So that's the basic issue here. Phishing puts the fish into trouble, and the phishing on the internet put us, the users, into trouble. And it always starts with where something very interesting and tasty looking is put in front of us. So we have to be careful about this. So to give some examples, you are very likely to receive a lot of emails saying that you have won the lottery. And interesting thing is, this is a lottery that you have not participated in, where they say it was done automatically by choosing from your randomly choosing from email addresses, and that there's £1 million or $1 million prize, and you are supposed to give a lot of information, your bank account details, PIN numbers and things like that, so they could transfer that prize money to your account. So this is really a bad idea, as you can understand. Who would want to give you $1 million? Okay, very unlikely, and that is the case here. And there are other things. For example, you might receive an email saying that your password has been compromised, quickly change it, and you are told to go to a particular page to do that. There you would enter your login name for a particular service, say your email service or your Facebook account, and then you are told enter your existing password and then your new password. But the problem is you are not actually dealing with the real site here. It's a fake site. It is just capturing your information. After that, they could do various things with that. Sell to a criminal gang for them to use it for various criminal activities, or basically it could create problems for you. For example, if you have a lot of useful information there, they could change access codes or the password and then ask you to pay money so you can have the password back. So all these are problems. So we have to understand that on the internet there could be a lot of criminal activity happening. A lot of hackers are there who are very talented in doing phishing.